Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by setting up tools that let you write and run code right away. Install a small editor and Git. This gives you version control and confidence. Choose one language and stick to it for the first month because depth beats scattered dabbling. Once done, create a tiny project, a calculator or to-do list, and commit each change. This teaches file structure, saving, and basic syntax quickly. Make sure to keep practice short and focused so you build habit and avoid overwhelm. You now move from tiny wins to repeatable workflows. Break a feature into small tasks and write pseudocode before typing. This clarifies logic and prevents rework. Learn debugging methods, read error messages, add logs, and use breakpoints. This is how you understand what the computer actually does. Once done, consult official docs and a single structured course to fill gaps. This prevents random searching. Make sure to refactor after it works, so your code stays readable and reusable. You wrap up by polishing and sharing. Add basic tests, a README that explains how to run the project, and deploy or share a link so others can try it. This completes the learning loop. Once done, ask for feedback and iterate. Real users reveal overlooked issues. If things go wrong, isolate the failing part and create a minimal reproducible example to debug efficiently. Make sure to stay patient. Most problems are one small mistake away from a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.